Hi, my wonderful friends. Christmas is coming, and it's time to make our homes even more beautiful, to welcome our family and friends during this special time. That's why we've brought you some decorating ideas. We hope you like them. We selected these items with great care for all of you. If you'd like to purchase any of these items, we'll leave the website where we got the images in the video description. Bye, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay up to date on all our news. See you in the next video.